Hi, my name is Rachel and I like art supplies. So if you like art supplies too, I suggest you like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications because sometimes we unbox them. I've been a subscriber of the InkyBox for several years now, and it actually has never occurred to me to unbox these on my channel. And I got this in the mail today and I figured, why not? This is the InkyBox Mini. And they actually do sell an InkyBox, which is an actual box with a lot more stuff in it. But the InkyBox Mini fits my budget and my need for supplies perfectly. So this is what I get. As you can see, it's not even open. Not open yet at all. So I have no idea what's inside. And so let's go down to the table and figure it out. Okay, here we go. There's my scissors. Like I said, I did not open this before the video. Feels like it's so here's a peek of what's inside. So I'm going to, so it comes with a little flyer with what's inside. So it looks like it's got a calligraphy set and a graph pad. There are some downloadable sheets. And on the other side is usually a coupon code, so I'm not going to show that. It's a coupon code for like certain products and stuff that they probably don't appreciate being shared. So this looks like it's been opened already, as you can see. So we've got some loose nibs. So we've got these really cute modern calligraphy sets. And so here is that. And it's got like my favorite little blue pumpkin right here and some other nibs and some black ink. And then they have this Rhodia dot pad. Oh no, it's a dot pad. It's a graph pad. Perfect for practicing, and that's it. So sometimes you get 3 to 4 markers and another little art supply, but this time you get this modern calligraphy set and a paper pad. So let me know in the comments below if you want to see me prep a nib, how I prep my nibs, because you usually can't just go from package to ink right away. There is some sort of film or something in manufacturing that causes ink to bead up on a nib and won't allow for easy flow of ink. So I would have loved to try this for you right now, but I would have to prep the nib and all this other stuff, and that's just a whole other video. So I hope you enjoyed this little unboxing. And if you want to see more future boxes, just let me know in the comments below. And if you want to see me prep my nib and everything, let me know in the comments below as well. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.